Hey everybody, this is Jeff with Top Edge Window Tinting, and today I wanted to do a quick video about what is the darkest legal tint in North Carolina, because by far that is the most popular question that everybody wants to know. So let me show you guys a few samples on the sample board, and then we're going to go and take a look at what they look like on an actual car.
Jeff, what is the darkest legal here?
All right, so that's a great question. Everybody asks me what is the darkest legal. So 35% is the darkest legal in North Carolina. And actually, to the exact number, North Carolina states it has to be 32% or a higher number in order to pass the inspection in North Carolina. The reason the tint comes in at 35 is because glass is not 100% clear. So if we put a light meter on glass, it's going to meter maybe 80, maybe 75, maybe 85. So when you combine that with the tint, it comes down to 32, 33, 34, somewhere in that range. Some factory glass is so dark, we actually have to go with the 45, which is the next shade lighter. And then that drops it down to about 35 or 36%, which in that case would be the darkest legal we can get on that car, because the tint manufacturer does not go individual percents, 36, 37, 38, 39. They go 35 to 45 to 55. That's just the way they make it. All right, so let's check this car out first. I'm gonna put a digital light meter on here. This is the same light meter that they use at the inspection shops. And this needs to read 32% or higher for the tint to be legal. So let's check it out. We're at 40. So this is definitely legal. And 40 means 40% of the light is allowed through. And in this case, I had to put 45% tint on here because when it combined with the glass, it came in at 40. When I tried the 35%, it metered at 29. So that would have been below the 32%, which is the legal limit. So I had to go to the 45. Okay, so I have two vehicles here. One is an SUV, and the other one is a regular passenger car. On the passenger car, we talked about already, but I'll say it again, has to be 32% or higher on all the windows, the front doors, the back doors, and the back window. An SUV, and don't ask me why the state set the law up this way, but this is what the state wants. This window has to be 32% or higher, but all the back windows could be any darkness that you want. Okay, so let's meter one more car and see how this one comes out, because it's a little bit different darkness than the Mercedes we just looked at. So this one's metering 33%, and that's just because the factory glass is a different darkness than the factory glass on the other car. And on this one, I was able to get away with 35% tint, and when it combined with the glass, it came in at 33, which is perfect because 32 or higher is legal. So we got this within 1% of the darkest allowable. Okay, so hopefully that helped clarify what the darkest legal tint is in North Carolina. And until the next time, that's it.